all you terrific teens. Welcome to our Teen Patriotic Craft. My name is Jackie from the Marengo-Union Library. So, the first thing to do is you're going to get in your kit, you're going to get a little bit of Mod Podge, some white paint, a paper napkin, some garland or tinsel, and a can of chips. So the first thing to do is, because there's still chips in the can, is you're going to pop that top off that can of chips, and you're going to need to eat those chips, all right? So now you can share those chips if you want or not. That's up to you because it is your project. So after you've emptied your can of chips, you're going to paint your can with a white paint. You may not need to do that, but I did that just so that my the name of the chips wouldn't show through my decoration. Okay, so I painted my can with white paint. I let it dry. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take some Mod Podge and I'm going to put that over my can a little bit at a time. All right. And then we're going to roll it in the napkin. Now you have to keep adding layers of Mod Podge as you do this. And what you want to do is, let me switch my can now, is you're going to put some Mod Podge on here, put the napkin on there, put some more Mod Podge, and keep rolling till your whole can is covered in Mod Podge and the napkin. And then after you're all done with that, you're going to tuck in your patriotic napkin. And at the bottom, you're going to tuck that in and use more Mod Podge, okay, to seal it. And then give your can one more coat or two of some more Mod Podge. That'll make it nice and shiny, okay? So you've done that. You're going to take your lid, all right, you're going to poke a hole in the lid. And you're going to take a skewer, which I will also send home. Wait, where's my skewer? Here's my skewer. All right, so I've taken some scissors, or maybe you want to use a nail or something, okay, and then just poke a small hole, not too big, because you can always make it bigger, but you can't make it smaller, can you? All right. Okay, so that's I want my wick to be. Like this is a firecracker maybe. All right. Oops. Okay, I just realized that when I was showing you that, I managed to split my lid. So what I would do if I were you and I split the lid is I would take some tape and then just tape it on the inside and the outside of the lid, just so that your can, so the lid doesn't wobble. Then you're going to take some of this stuff here, which I'm going to send home. You're going to cut off a piece and you're going to wind it up on here. See how long you want it to be. Okay, I think that looks pretty good. How long you want your wick to be. And I'm going to cut a piece off. Oops, there we go. And I'm going to take some glue. Move that out of the way. And I'm going to take some glue and I'm going to cover my stick in glue and then wrap my tinsel around. Ooh, cool. Okay. And I also maybe will send you home one of these styrofoam stars that you can put on the top. I'll go ahead and open those up. I haven't tried that yet, but I bought 20 of them, so just enough for all of you guys to each have one. And we'll put that right in there. All right. Okay, see? And then put my lid back on my can here. And I have a cool firecracker design. All right. You can put something on the, maybe underneath, not underneath, I'm sorry, inside the can to weigh it down if you want, maybe some pebbles or some rocks, you know, whatever you want, okay? So this is your craft for the teens. It's really a fun craft. Don't give up after you eat the chips. I want you to finish the project, okay? This isn't just about chips, you know. It's about the 4th of July. All right, enjoy and happy 4th of July. Please stay safe. Okay, bye.